Welcome to adilas. This is a short tutorial on how to add or edit a make. And a make is tied to serialized inventory. And the best example that I can give would be like, say, with aircraft. Say you're flying in a Boeing 727. Boeing would be the make, 727 would be the model. In order to change the make or add a make, you would go under System Maintenance and you would go down to the Makes homepage. And once you are on that page, you're going to see all the different makes that we have in here under the inventory type. So a make it's unique all by itself as a make. So if you take, say, for instance, Cessna, and if I wanted to edit the name on Cessna, I could click on that and it would queue it up in the field here, and I could change the make here. I could also assign it to a different category or inventory type if I had that type set, or I can make it its status inactive if I wanted to, or delete the status. And if I go back, if I want to add a new make, I would click on Add New Make up at the top, and then I could type in my make and choose my inventory type. The inventory types are controlled right here under the sub-inventory types, and from this link here I actually have another tutorial that shows how to add or edit the inventory subtypes. The next link over is Add Edit Model, so this would be like adding or editing the 727 with the example of Boeing 727. You could edit or add or edit more models here. And when you have the make and the model and the inventory type in place, then you're able to stock in units, and then your unit would come in as Boeing 727, and maybe the sub-inventory type, instead of just a general one like aircraft, it might be like passenger or something of that nature. So once again, this has been a tutorial on how to add or edit a make, and I went from the main switchboard homepage under System Maintenance down to the Makes homepage. And once on the Makes homepage, you have a link here to add a new one, or you have links down here that allow you to edit the new ones. And then, of course, you would assign them, once you set them up, you would assign them to an inventory type. Thanks again for using adilas.